Learn English through story, Two Kind Sisters and a Magic Lesson. The sun is high in the clear blue sky. Lily and Rose walk along a dusty road. They carry small baskets. The birds sing in the green trees. The air smells like fresh grass and warm earth. Lily looks at her sister and smiles. They are looking for wild berries near the big forest. The sisters are poor, but they are very happy together. They talk about their dreams while they walk slowly in the heat. Suddenly, they see Bella standing by a large stone gate. Bella lives in a big white house with many flowers. She looks at the sisters' old clothes. She laughs loudly and points her finger at Lily's faded blue dress. "Your clothes are dirty and ugly," Bella says with a mean smile. She holds a bag of sweet candies. She eats one slowly and does not offer any to the sisters. Rose feels sad and looks at her patched trousers. Lily holds Rose's hand tightly. "It is okay, Rose," Lily whispers softly. "Kindness is more important than new clothes." They walk past Bella and go toward the dark forest. Bella watches them and makes a cold, mean face at them. Near a large oak tree, they see an old woman. She sits on the ground. She looks very tired and thirsty. Her gray cloak is covered in dust. Her wooden cane lies on the grass. She looks at the girls. "Please, I am very thirsty," the old woman says in a weak voice. Lily opens her small water bottle. It is almost empty, but she gives it to the woman. Rose gives the woman a small piece of bread. The old woman drinks the water and eats the bread. She smiles at the two sisters. Her eyes are very bright and kind. "You are good children," she says. "You share the little things you have with a stranger." Suddenly, Bella walks by the oak tree. She sees the old woman and makes a face. "Go away, old lady," Bella says. "You are blocking my path." Bella pushes past the woman and does not help her at all. The old woman stands up. Suddenly, her gray cloak turns into a beautiful silver gown. She is not a poor woman, she is a powerful fairy. Bella gasps and drops her bag of candies. Her face turns very white. The fairy looks at Bella. "You have many things, but you have a cold heart," the fairy says. Suddenly, Bella's gold necklace turns into a heavy chain of lead. Her silk dress becomes plain and very heavy to wear. Bella starts to cry and runs back to her big house. She cannot run fast because her clothes are so heavy now. She learns that being mean has a price. She feels very lonely and sad in her heart. The fairy turns to Lily and Rose. She waves her silver cane over their small baskets. Suddenly, the baskets are full of gold coins and delicious food. Their old clothes become soft, clean, and very beautiful to wear. "This is a gift for your kind hearts," the fairy says. "You will never be hungry or cold again." Lily and Rose are very surprised. They thank the fairy many times. The fairy smiles and vanishes into the air. Lily and Rose run home to their mother. They show her the gold and the food. Their small house becomes warm and full of light. They help other poor people in the village. Everyone loves the two kind sisters. They live a long and happy life. They always remember the fairy and the lesson they learned. True beauty is not in clothes or gold. True beauty is found in a kind and helping heart.